Sheri Ann Richerson from experimentalhomesteader.com, and I have just stepped into my greenhouse here in Marion, Indiana. What we're looking at, this big leafy plant right here. This is a plumera. Have another one right over there, and then I have a third one back there. Have some cannas here. Back there is a brookmansa. This is a cycad, bird of paradise, of course. You can see the passiflora vine back there. Over here, I have two back plants, blooms. This is one plant, but this is two blooms. Just trying to get around here. This one is just starting to open up, as you can see. And this one over here is fully opened. Absolutely gorgeous plant. Love the whiskers. I have a banana. Up here I have a number of pitcher plants. Sequoias up here and philodendron. Over there is a vanilla orchid. Okay, coming back down. This is a lemon eucalyptus. It actually smells like lemon. This is the other plumera that I had mentioned. It has actually branched. This is a, yes, the name escapes me. Give me a second. This is an artichoke. I'm sorry. The name absolutely escaped me. This right here is pineapple. I have a lovely ginger in bloom. Like I said, it's kind of hard to get through here. You can see how crowded it is. My little The Aroma Cacao chocolate trees are back here. And I have another banana over there. This is a scented geranium. I have a number of orchids and cacti up there. That's an aloe. So let me try to step over here. I have another orchid up there. Both of these are mandolinas. They are actually two different types, both in bloom right now. This is a small olive tree. This is a cup of gold vine. I have Glenfelicia down here. This is cruel vine. And I have a huge elephant ear here. Of course, I have some herbs back here. And in the aquaponic unit, I have some bulbs. I also have some air plants. More bulbs down here. And back over here, I'll give you a different view of the black back plant. Botanical is Taka. Isn't that absolutely stunning? And it is truly, truly black. I know the grow light is throwing kind of a pinkish color on it. Oh, and down here I have some pineapple lily, or I'm sorry, pineapple sage in bloom. I actually have a pineapple lily back here, but this is pineapple sage. And so let me step back through. Like I said, it's really crowded in here. I don't know how well you guys can see that, but just trust me, it is. So I'm going to give a one-time around. Oh, thank you, Monica. It is the bat plant is absolutely, absolutely stunning. And like I said, this one is not fully open yet. You can see the difference. Let me try to show you the back. Absolutely beautiful. And I have a lot more buds This is actually a bud. I have one here, I have one here, one back over here, and I thought I saw several more. So I'm just amazed that this has so many blooms and so many buds coming up on it. And so this is my small greenhouse here in Marion, Indiana, with the plants that I've been able to get in this year. And thanks for watching, guys, and have an absolutely fantastic day.